Hello, good morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream here. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Thursday, August 27, 2026, 8:54 a.m., which is very close to 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We see the market rallying right now. We have Nasdaq up 1.1%, Dow is up 0.1, S&P is up 0.4, and the volume is high on both exchange, Nasdaq and NYSE. So this is a very welcome sign. Today we obviously have the big news from Nvidia earnings that came out really good. We also have software actually doing even better than the chips area. They're really rocketing right now with the CrowdStrike and a few other stocks that have reported earnings. So let's take a quick look at the index here. Let's go to Nasdaq Composite. Here we are, big bounce here above the 10-day. That's what we've been waiting for. We were on a downtrend. Now we came back up. We're still not 100% clear. Just based on the technical trend line, if I draw even today's high across this high right here, it's still at a very steep slope, right? Near 45-degree angle. So we're not really fully out of the wood, but this is a good big move. At least we climb above 1021 and now we're above all the short-term trend lines, but we need a follow through tomorrow, so just be aware of that. We could pull back easily tomorrow, right? So anything can happen, but at least we are at the highs, so that is a good sign. Let's go to S&P. Same thing here. We're bouncing above the 10-day here, clearing that up 0.5% here. So again, not completely out of the wood if you draw a trend line here, because this today could be a bull trap, is what I'm trying to say. You could buy in today and then you get trapped, right? So make sure you manage your risk and all that. Let's go to Dow. Here's Dow Jones. Dow Jones didn't bounce as much. You would think it would make a new high, but it hasn't. So that's another negative there. So even though Nasdaq S&P doing well, and Dow Jones is not showing the strength that we want to see. So it's not all across the board. It's what I'm trying to say here. Finally, we'll look at Russell. Look at Russell. It's not moving. So Dow and Russell is not moving, which is kind of, not good. Like we want a broad market rally, right? That's how usually a good rally would start. But we're kind of half and half right now. So anyhow, so that's what's happening. Let me just quickly look at the stocks here. Let's go to Nvidia. We, and I'll bring up the earnings for the forecast as well, just so we can see what's happening. Here's Nvidia here. You can see forward guidance 80, 66, 60% earnings growth in the coming quarters. We are in this cup and handle base. We bounce back today. So again, same thing here. We're not completely out of the wood, right? Um, Today is good bounce, but we need to clear this hot candle buy point here to be considered a traditional breakout. But yeah, but it's looking good. It's at the top of the up almost 8% right now. We also have CrowdStrike reporting really good. Here you go, bouncing really strong as well, near the highs almost, not quite there yet. Let me see. There's a few other stocks maybe. This is Let me refresh this. Hold on. Let me just go to my list here. That'll be faster. I'll just share with you what I saw this morning. We have AGYS bouncing, CrowdStrike, Datadog was another one, DT, Dynatrace. We have Frog, we have Intel. There's probably a lot of software that I haven't looked at yet that is bouncing hard. Cloudflare is doing well. Uma, we had P that reported also didn't do well. That one is didn't do well. Palantir is moving. RNG, S Sentinel, SMTC in the chip area. That's one that's doing okay. SNX here, tech services, 10B in the security. Weave here reporting doing really well. WK. We have ANF still moving from yesterday's earnings. SGM reported earnings doing well. We have BWLP, ECO here in some of the shipping area, PRLB, RDVT, and then we have Agilon in the healthcare side. Jazz also bouncing on earnings. We have Aya in the gold mining area, FTI. Oh, I haven't looked at that one yet, sorry. We have Affirm doing well. It's reporting after hours, so that could be a risk there. We see TR, WEX, and Block as well doing well. So those are the stocks that were showing strength. Some of the stocks showing strength this morning. Let's just see what other earnings that came out. I just want to highlight those. Salesforce, yes. Um, Let me see here. Salesforce. I think they had also announced a deal with Entropic. That was one of the reason it jumped a lot as well. So here you go. Let's see what else. So yeah, it's a good 1 day rebound today, but like I said, we need to see follow through tomorrow. Like we already talked about the Palo Alto, Datadog, those are moving. Um, yeah, I think that is pretty much it. Thank you all for watching. There's some more here that I have reported. Okta, yes, Okta is also doing well. Yeah. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye now.